Hey guys, welcome back to Wheelwork. Hope you're all doing well as always. Just a very quick video today. For those of you interested, we have a VZ Commodore here. It's a 3.6 Alloytec. Great engine, just ask the internet. All I'm doing on this today is deleting the rear muffler and changing it with a 2.5-inch Hotdog. So I just thought I'd do a quick video and just show you guys out there how it sounds before and after. Nice, cheap little mod. So I'll do a quick video now of how it sounds now, and we'll go from there. Thanks always for watching, guys. Just a quick video today of just a little job I was doing for a mate. Yeah, if you like what you see, like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next video shortly. Take it easy.